Welcome back, ladies and gents. So we're following on from the video the other day about the FiFine K669L budget microphone for £35 that we unboxed on the last video. We're going to do a little bit of a review and how to set it up in OBS. So let's get into it. So, ladies and gents, currently at the moment we are recording using my Rode NT USB mic, but we will show some comparisons between the two once we set it up. So, first off, we're going to show you how to add it into OBS, but basically it is just a plug and play. So you place your USB cable into an available USB slot on your PC, and it will instantly come up and show. So if you haven't got a current mic in with like a USB, then this will be perfect for it. Just plug, play, and it's a way to go. The bit I do quite like about this one is the volume knob that you have directly on the mic as well, and it is a solid built mic for such a small amount. So the side that you do speak into is the side with the volume knob. It's a directional mic. So anyway, we're going to go into OBS. We're going to zoom down here. In fact, we'll go over to here because we've got the thing. So to add a mic in, we're going to go into settings. So let's just zoom up there. We're going to go to settings. We are going to go to, there we go. We're going to go to audio, and it is currently disabled. I've just disabled it for the time being. And the one we're going to add in is microphone. Where are we? I can't see it for looking. There we go. That one there, and then we just press apply. It's as simple as that. And we're going to press OK. You may hear double now. I can't actually hear it at the moment, so we're just going to mute that for the time being, as we may get double playback through. And that's as simple as that. Obviously from there, then if you want to add filters, so currently at the moment I have a couple of filters on mine. So you've got let's add them in. So you've got there's limiter, you can put a noise gate on, expander gain, compressor, noise pressure. Put all them on if you need to. Alright, from a little few tests quickly inside of OBS and just testing it myself, initially it sounds pretty good. The one thing I would probably suggest is, obviously, if it's gonna peak and you're gonna go too high and you're gonna go to the red, then I would probably suggest I have on my current one, I have where are we? Where is it? Where are we? Filters. So I've got a limiter, compressor, noise gate, things like that. So it just helps balance things out a little bit when you're doing if you are in high action gameplay, so you don't go too high and you don't peak too much. So yeah, that's what you can add into them to just give you a little bit better sound for your bang for your buck, basically. So we're going to just show some comparisons at the moment. So at the moment we are doing it with the Rode NT mic. So this is my current mic that I've got, and it's been really good since I've got it. The sound is pretty good. Like I say, I've got some filters on it at the moment. We're going to just show the Rode we're going to show the FiFine mic now, and we're just going to show that I think I've just pressed the button. I have on the keyboard. Where are we? So we're just going to go into the settings of the mic, and we're going to go into the properties on this one, and we are going to select this. So we're going to swap over to, we're now over to the mic for the FiFine, and like I say, the benefit I like of this is we can turn it up and down on the mic itself. I don't necessarily have that facility on the Rode NT, but don't always need it because I can set things up how I want, and it does have a guard on it as well, a pop filter as well, and I think overall I'll go back and we'll listen to this footage after the event, but from what I did from testings earlier, it is quite good for such a small microphone, and it's well built. I think it's not going to break easily. The stand's decent. Obviously if you've got a mic arm, you can put it on a mic arm as well, so you've got no dramas there at all. Overall, I do think it is a well built, cheap microphone that if you're getting into streaming is perfect. And we are going to just jump back to my other mic, and I will do all this live. You can't necessarily see it, but we're going to jump back to it. And this is my current mic, and that's a little bit further away, so you don't want to be too far away with this one, but it's perfect. And you can put the size it is, and the cable length is decent as well. I think you're not going to go too far wrong with it. So yeah, I think overall you can't go too wrong, especially if you're on a budget early on in your content creation and your streaming career. Pick it up, and I think you can probably tell it's a decent enough mic to get you started, and then you can maybe look at upgrading over the time when you can afford maybe more or something like that. But yeah, it's a great starting mic. So yeah, please drop a like, drop a subscribe. There's obviously more content. This is something that's a little bit different for me, so we will. It is different for me because I'm not used to doing product reviews, but it's been good to have the opportunity and FiFine to reach out to me to do this review video and the unboxing as well. So thank you all, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Oh, before we do, if you haven't, there's the unboxing video. It will be about here at the end screen. So I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.